How to add 60-second story on Instagram. In order to do that, let's first head over and click on this plus icon right here. Now, just head over and then select the story option right there. Now, it will open your story and then you can actually expand on it. And then you can also see in here some settings that you can choose from. So you can see in here some settings, but you can also allow camera access. Now, take note that whenever you try to record a story, like for example, let's record a video for a story right now. As you can see, there is an actual view comment for that. And as you can see, I have recorded a very short video. But as of Instagram status update, you can now add 60-second story on your Instagram. So you should be able to post that on your story right here. And then you can also upload any 1 minute long or 60-second story on your actual Instagram that also already been captured by your camera. So that's how you add 60-second story on Instagram. Hope we helped.